I am so excited to show you the new release from Honeybee Stamps. So we're going to get into this and look at all the cute goodies and talk about them. Okay, so first I want to mention that when you place a $100 order with Honeybee, you get Freebie products. So this, I think, is their freebie probably for, I kind of don't ever really know exactly what it is, but they usually let me have one. Oh yeah, right here. Please enjoy this special freebie. So this will be, it's 12 sheets, one of each design, and it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So it's already cut to size. Let's open it. I need to grab my scissors. And so we'll go ahead, sorry about that, guys. We'll go ahead and open this. I'm actually filming this on Easter Sunday, so you're not going to see it for a while. But I'm filming this on Easter Sunday because I have some time right now, and I have my phone the sound turned on my phone because my Traeger, I'm smoking a ham on the Traeger, and it'll tell me when the ham is ready. So that's why it's beeping. So normally my phone's on silent, but look at these beautiful papers. This is gorgeous. Okay, so I'm just going to show you each sheet. So this is free when you place a $100 order. So pretty. You guys know me and florals. I'm picky about florals. So some of these won't be my jam, but some of them I think are really incredible. Like this one I love. I'm just really weird about floral stuff. So this one is gorgeous. I love this one. Oh, I love this. Love this. I love that blue and white floral because it's kind of like vintage and old looking to me. Love this one. This is beautiful. Love this. This looks like it would be pretty in like a set of sheets or something. Very pretty. These are very pretty. Love the blues. Okay, so there's your little freebie. So that's what you get when you place a $100 order is this little pack here. So let's go ahead and look through all of these beautiful goodies. All right, this is my first time. Well, this isn't my first time seeing them in person because I attended the Honeybee retreat and they had them there. So here's this one. So these are like really pretty vases. And they have the die cuts. And so that's these. Ornate ginger jar is what these are called. So there's those. And then, oh, do I have two? Oh, I have another set. Oh, this is a lovely layers jars. So you could make different types of jars. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so there's those. So this one is heartfelt condolences. I need this. I do not have a good, like, condolence stamp set. Let me see if there's dies for this in here, in my little pile. My stack. There might not be, or there might be, but I just need to buy them. Because Honeybee usually does dies for their sentiments. Yeah, I don't see any dies in my stack. So I probably just need to purchase them. Let's see. Yeah, just the stamp set. So this is heartfelt condolences, sending you prayers for comfort during this time, praying for you to gather strength during this time. He was so loved. With deepest sympathy, blessed are those who mourn, for they will be comforted. I love that. Still loved and still missed, wrapping you in a warm hug. May you find peace during this time. Someone so special can never be forgotten. So my cousin recently lost a family member, or it's on her husband's side. And the young lady was only 34 years old, and had a little baby. And she got leukemia and was gone within 9 months. And so I think I'll probably make something for maybe my cousin and her mom or something like that with this one. This is a good stamp set to have. Okay, we have the English Cottage stamp set. That's really pretty. I always struggle with stamp sets like this. I'm going to be honest. Oh, wait. Oh, that's a different set. Okay, hold on. Sorry. I literally opened this and just started going through it with you guys. So I haven't even I haven't even gone through this package. So I'm just seeing if there's any dies for this. Yep. Okay, so there's a lovely layer cottage. This is a lovely layer. So all these little pieces layered. Oh, I'll have fun with that. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. There's a wishing well. That's going to be so cute. So there's those. Okay, what else do we have back here? We've got the So Special stamp set. And I thought I saw dies. Yep, right here. So Special dies. So this is You Are So Special to Me. Hello, beautiful. Thank you for everything you do. Life is sweeter with a mom like you. With love and thanks. You are so dear to me. Thanks for making a difference. You are priceless. Wishing you the best. Thank you for showing me how to be an amazing human. Thank you for blessing me. Hello, my sweet friend. May your day be filled with the love you give us. So, super sweet set there. Okay, this one is antique frames. This is beautiful. All these different dies that cut all these different pieces. Super pretty. We've got a 3D embossing folder with, this is, oh God, I don't know how to say that. Oh, I have no idea how to say that word. This is, I'm lacking education. I don't know how to say that, you guys. Chinoseri? Chinoiseri? I don't know how to say that. We're going to find out together. Ready? Let's see. This is what you do when you don't know something, in case you're wondering. You don't get embarrassed. You just say, pronounce this word.
Chinoiserie.
Chinoiserie. Chinoiserie. That's how we say it. Chinoiserie. So that's cool. So let's see what that means. It must... Okay, so it's a passion for Chinese motifs. I was charmed by the delicate chinoiserie of the animation style, especially the title credits. So it gives you like examples on how to use the word. We learned a new word today. I did not know this word. So it's a nod to the Chinese, like decorative stuff, I guess is what you would say. Okay, we have multiple masks. What are these called? Stencils. I'm all thrown off by my new word. So we've got multiple stencils here. This one is Moresque tile. This one is Ginger Jars Details. Okay, so this must coordinate with the Ginger Jars. And this is Floral Mosaic, set of 4. So these are going to be super fun to use. Then we've got the Cottage Countryside paper. So you can see the vibe. The vibe with this release is very much like springy, cottagey, floral, delicate, beautiful things, right? Okay, so this paper, oh, well, that's a bummer. This paper is kind of very similar. Look how pretty that is. I love this. Oh my gosh, I feel like I need this for wallpaper. This is gorgeous. Very, very pretty. So this kind of goes with that same floral feel that we have with this one, right? So we've got the Cottage Countryside paper. All right, now we look at this set. Okay, so I have to admit something. Oh, here's my heartfelt condolences. See, I knew it was in here. Remember this one? Heartfelt condolences. So it does have dies. Okay. So I have to tell you something. So when I was at the honeybee retreat, I saw this and I was like, oh my God, more butterflies. Because I'm going to just be honest. When I was with Stampin' Up, I felt like there were butterflies that were just, they were constant with the butterflies. And so I was like, I don't like butterflies, but I do. And then I saw Jennifer McGuire make a card with butterflies and I was like, I love butterflies. Who am I kidding? And my daughter went to Monarch Montessori when she was in preschool. And so they did the big Monarch, kind of looks like this one, with the really beautiful colors. So there's a Lovely Layers butterflies. There's the All Things New. So this is the sentiments and the butterflies. And this is illustrated by my buddy, Kelly Taylor. So that's fun. Because she usually does florals. So I was kind of surprised to see butterflies from her. So I love this though. You make all things new. And that's a Bible verse, Revelation 21:5. Happy birthday wishes. Wishing you joy and beauty. Spring brings a fresh start. Today and always blessed to know you and love you. So these are really pretty. And then there's the Lovely Layers. Love, love, love. Okay. So there's that. And then there's this big background. This thing is huge. Beautiful background stamp. Love the hummingbird. So my grandmother was a big hummingbird person. She near the end of her life, she called them little ladies. That's what she would call hummingbirds. And she would say the little ladies are coming to, you know, dance for them and stuff. This also has... Oh, this doesn't coordinate. I thought maybe this coordinated with this, but I don't think it does because I don't see a hummingbird. Has chinoiserie. This is the chinoiserie bold background. And then I think this one, I thought this one maybe had dies, but maybe it doesn't. What's it called? Zalias, English Garden? No, it doesn't. Okay. So there's that. And then this one is really cool. Always and forever. I miss you with sympathy. Hello, friend. And then it's got this big stamp. And I kind of like how Honeybee is starting to do some stamp sets with the rubber. Because nothing, in my opinion, there is nothing stamps as intricate and well as red rubber. I mean, photopolymer is a really close second, but I think that red rubber is just always going to be the best because it just is. But anyway, so you've got the big die here that'll cut this piece out. You've got these intricate dies on the inside that I think will cut this center piece out right here. In fact, I can see that this center piece punches out, so it's a whole separate piece. So you could either leave it in or punch it out or pop it up. Really cool. And then a die for this little frame, and then I'm guessing most of these sentiments, if not all of them, fit inside this. So really great set here to do some fun things with. Okay, and then we have the Sympathy Great Greetings. So I can tell by looking at this says sympathy sending with, I can't tell what this one says. I can't tell. We'll have to die cut it. Maybe praying. Might be say praying. Okay, and then this is a Lovely Layers topiary. You know that's going to be adorable. This is a Spring Great Greetings. Very cute. And then this is a bird bath. Pretty excited about the bird bath, not going to lie. So there's all of the new Honeybee stuff. So if you love florals, if you love butterflies, if you love Honeybee, if you love Kelly Taylor, you're going to want to pick some of these goodies up. I have linked to all of these products below the video so that you can grab any of them that you want. I will have videos coming out with these products for sure because they're beautiful. But today I just really wanted to do a quick video showing you the release so that you could grab whatever you wanted. Because I know like on some releases, they'll sell out of stuff. I mean, they usually restock it, but I just wanted you to have all the info and see all the products that I got so that you can grab them. And then don't forget, if you spend over 100, you get the freebie. So that's it. Thanks for hanging out with me for a few minutes while we look at all these goodies, and then we'll get to making some goodies with these very soon. All right. Bye-bye.